Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about why in India youngsters should consider sales as a career. Particularly in India, we never advise youngsters to take sales as a career after their graduation, or if someone is coming and asking to us for the career advice, we never suggest this particular career because as a people we have that mindset. If someone is choosing sales as a career, they're going to work every day in the pressure and there is no job security if they are not able to meet their monthly targets or daily targets, whatever it is, and there's no highly paid income as well in this. This is the mindset what we have. Let me tell you the truth. Salespeople are the one who gets highly paid and they are the one who has the highest job securities and job openings, because in any company there will be a team called sales team. Sales team is the main backbone for any company. They are the one who generates the revenue. If you people are interested to get into sales and make sales as your career, I would suggest you people to get into these two sectors. One is education sector, the other one is tourism sector. You people might be wondering, how does it make difference? Because sales is going to remain the same in all the sectors, right? Let me share you some information. In the span of 5 years, from 2014 to 2019, 4,000 plus educational startups which is registered in India. These startups are making use of technology. Because of technology, they created a revolution in digital learning. In recent days, a student who's preparing for civil services exams, he can take an online classes. Or a student who's preparing for competitive exams like GATE, or it could be banking exams, or it could be CA or CS, he can take the online classes. Or if a student who's studying in grade 12 or grade 10 preparing for his board exams, he can take the online classes. Or for a student who's sitting in grade 1, he can take the online classes. There is a huge demand in educational sectors, and especially educational sectors, they are looking for the people who can give the services for the students, who can coordinate with the parents or with the students, address their concerns and provide the solutions for them, so that is where the sales people come into the picture. The educational startups always have the openings for the sales people, and in today's generation, because of technology, because of digital marketing and branding, it is very easy to sell the product because the people know what the product is. They're able to see it in the TV, they're able to see it in the radio ads, so the people know what the product is all about, so they are the one who's making an inquiry. Tourism sector plays a vital role in Indian economic growth. Back in those days, it was very difficult for a middle class person to organize a vacation for his family because the expenditures were important for him to travel from one destination to other destination, the accommodation, the travel expenses, everything. After the existence of tourism startup, these people created a vacation for the people who cannot afford for the vacation or for the budget travel, especially by providing them the best accommodations and by giving them the best experience. This is how the impact which created in India in tourism startups, and these tourism startups indirectly and indirectly created a job opportunities for millions of people. The World Travel and Tourism Council calculated that tourism generated 16.91 lakh crore in 2018 and supported 42.673 million jobs. This sector is predicted to grow at the annual rate of 6.9% to 32.5 lakh crore by 2028, and this sector will be the second largest employer in India for many youngsters. I would suggest you people to focus on these two professions because these professions has a huge opportunity across the globe. Do not worry that you're not from a sales background. All this organization is looking for the youngsters who are aged between 18 and 28, and they're looking for the youngsters who are confident enough to talk about the product. They're looking at these two particular languages. One is English, the other one is Hindi, because these two languages are widely spoken. Trust me, down the line in 10 years, if you people really work harder in this, and you will be in one of the management positions, and in very short span of time you can make huge money. These are the informations which I wanted to share it with you people, especially for the youngsters. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want me to talk any particular topic, please mention in the comment section. Having said that, this is Joshua Jeremiah signing off. Until I meet you in the next episode, do not forget your roots and your heritage where you came from. Good day.